Alright, hopefully mayroon dito. Wala pa tayong na pick up eh. Tingnan natin yung mga kaganda.
Yes.
This one is good. Bowl.
This summer, KRTU is embracing new opportunities to make a meaningful impact in our community by fostering stronger partnerships. Your additional donation today not only confirms your dedication to educational public radio, but also ensures that KRTU remains a station where music meets community. Join us in embracing the spirit of giving as we bring jazz and indie music to listeners like you through our community concerts. To support our upcoming events and programming, visit join.krtu.org. Thank you for your generosity now and throughout the year.
Ganda din to. Ang tagal na nito. Phoenix.
Those are missing, as you can see the. Yeah, and there's one in there. There's the other one I lost it somewhere. But we give her $24. Look how scenario you are. Yeah, they're nice. Yeah. They don't fit me on me.
How much you asking for this?
$20.
Does it still work or
Yes,
it's
still works.
missing?
Just haven't used it for a while. You might need to have it tuned and all that stuff. It's just an old model.
An old model, huh?
Yeah,
There's nothing's missing to this, right? No,
Nothing's missing, no. You can add a lot of stuff, you know.
All right. We take 15?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't like the vest?
I think I'm gonna pass on the vest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
$6.
$6? Not even to work.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
He
sir.
got a good deal. I hope he kills himself a deer.
You will.
How much is the bike?
That's 45
45.
and that one's 20. But if you buy both, I'll give you a good deal.
6, 7, 8.
That one's 20. The batteries are worn out.
Liberty Made in USA.
That's 20.
Ito yung mga maganda to. Liberty. Liberty Made in USA.
Good, good. And now how much will we use? What
It's
is
an 8. 6,
6, 8.
7, 8.
This one?
Ito Made in USA.
$3. Yes.
7, 8, 20.
20.
Can I have 5?
You do better. Let me keep the fives.
I was in a car accident.
2003 vintage.
¿Qué por este?
Ito Carhartt.
¿Y este, oiga?
Ese cuestan 135.
How about for your jackets?
Let me have $10 and take all of them.
$10 for all of them?
All of them. That too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. Made in USA.
¿Y este?
Ganda pala daw made in USA. Oh, tingnan yung mga pare ko yung made in USA. Ang ganda nito. And ito din made in USA. Ito, Carhartt mga pare ko yun. Carhartt pare ko yun.
Acomoda it.
Carhartt. Ay, mga butas-butas lang.
How much are you asking for these?
That's $40.
Butas-butas lang to. Pero kunin ko ito ay $10 lang naman eh. Lahat to. Ito din $10. Device. Ito device oh. Device. So $10 yan lahat. Sabi niya eh. Ano ito? $10 lahat ng jacket. Ito. Ozark Trail. $10 lahat ng jacket.
Yung bow, yung pana, wala akong makitang anong tawag nito, wala akong makitang comms nun eh. Vintage yun, pero kung wala talaga akong makitang comms ko, ang gagawin ko niyan, kung hindi ko ibibenta yan sa eBay, ibibenta ko yan sa flea market. So, pwede ko yan mabenta. Kung makakuha ko ng $40-50, masaya na ako. Pero i-research ko pa rin kung mayroon akong comms, sold comms na makita dyan para mabenta natin online. Pero kung wala, okay lang. $40-50 flea market, masaya na ako. Alright?
Ito mga parekoy, mga jersey, mga parekoy. Good morning! Mga jersey parekoy. State University season. Okay to. Kansas yan, hindi yan. Ito. Nakikita mo yung tahi. Ayan. Ito. Yo. Nike shorts. Under Armour.
Perdón. Oh, okay.
Hi. No, you're good. give me a deal if I'm gonna get 3?
Yeah.
How much for it? I got this 3 right here.
I'll probably do 25 for all 3.
25 for all 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Alright mga parikoy. Ito ha. Itong mga jersey na to para sa inyo to ha. Itong mga jersey, football jersey, ipapadala ko to sa inyo to. Alright. Gusto nyo ng jersey, ito NFL jersey ha. Sa inyo yan lahat. Ang gaganda niyan mga parikoy ha. Jersey. Alright. Sa inyo to. Alright, alright. Let's go. Alright, tingnan natin to. May vintage dito. $10. HDC.
That's pretty cool.
That's okay, yeah. My husband tries to kind of go a little bananas over it.
Halloween. Gotta come over here.
Yeah.
SIRTS there.
My husband commits to something. So what he did is that when he's coming in our house, there's stairs. So he put black sheeting all the way around, and then we had a cauldron pot. You know, and we had in the window we had the scenes that went. You know, when you open, when you come in the mat, it's reading that thing, you know, so you open one.
Golden Gold Challenge. X. Reebok.
Christmas too, he goes in there. Okay, so then that's. Yes, yes. Yeah, it's just, you know, it's a neat little deal, you know, because I like to use it for like an emergency thing in the car. Nothing else. Okay, I'm gonna go 5. Because he's in there, and, you know, and 5 and 5, 8, 9. Okay, make it even 10.
Ang ganda nito.
So,
And
okay. You need help carrying that, or? You know, that seriously, my.
alright mga parikoy, yung mga long sleeves na yan, pang-uka yan. So para sa inyo yung mga yan. So yeah, so ano, pilihin nyo na yan. I think I owe you $15, so that's 10.
Okay.
And then this is 3, 13, 14, 15.
Hey, all that works for me.
Thank you.
There's a bag.
Take whatever size coin you want. Oh, I see. Yeah, it'll take different types.
Is this one new?
I don't think so.
Okay.
No, I don't think so. He buys stuff. Jerry, you never took this out of the box, right?
Do what?
You never took that out of the box.
No.
Okay. It's brand new. All right.
Yeah.
He buys stuff.
Okay.
I never got to use it, man.
Thank you, sir.
So baka nagtaka kayo kung bakit hindi ko binili lahat ng mga jersey, bakit yun lang yung 5 ang binili ko. Ang reason niyan kasi yung iba doon mga peke. Kung napansin nyo, tiningnan ko yung logo, lalo na sa mga Nike. Kasi ang mga pinipeke talaga na mga jersey is yung Nike at saka Mitchell & Ness. Yun yung mga nandun. So kaya tiningnan ko talaga yung logo nito. Ito yung number 1 na maano. So nakita nyo yan, yung tahi niyan, di ba? Yung stitching niyan sa logo, nandyan talaga yan sa fina-follow talaga yung shape ng logo. Alright? Yung iba kasi, pag peke, ang ginagawa nila, kasi tamad sila, no? At saka minamadali nila, yung stitching dito, square lang. Square dito. So, ginawang square nila yung mga tahi, yung stitching. So, yun yung number 1 indicator na yung mga jersey nila, yung jersey, I mean, if peke yung jersey. So, ang gaganda. So, mga Nike, ito, tatlo to. Large, okay? Large NFL football jersey, okay? Puro large. I mean, tatlong large na Nike. Yan. Ang gaganda ng mga ito. Ang ganda ng quality nito. Parang bago talaga. As in, ang linis-linis. Parang bago. Ito. And then, ito. As in, ang linis. So, puro Nike yan. NFL jersey. Alright. May dalawang vintage. Ito, I think XL to. Reebok. O to, XL. Ang Reebok hindi yan pinipeke masyado. So ito, kaya sure na sure to. Ang ganda, no? Anong tawag mo ito? Vintage. Ito. Kansas City Chiefs. Ito yung defending champion ngayon sa football dito. Vintage to. Ang ganda. Alright? So, yun. So, ang gaganda niyan. Alright? So, hey, sa inyo to lahat. Okay? Sa inyo to lahat. Mapupunta to sa ukay. Alright? So, hintayin nyo to. Sabi ko sa inyo, i-follow yung reseller ko. Ito yung Facebook niya. Facebook page. Okay? Maghintay lang kayo. In 2 months time, matatanggap na niya ito. I-follow nyo kasi pag natanggap na niya ito, ila-live niya. So, paunahan kayo. Alright? So, paunahan kayo. So, i-follow niya. So, yeah. So, hey, salamat ha. Ingat kayo. Share, comment, subscribe. Salamat sa support. Alright? So, ulitin. Bye-bye.